Scout! Scout, what in the world has got into you? No.
Atticus, I'm not going back to school anymore.
Now, Scout, it's just the first day.
I don't care. Everything went wrong. Teacher got mad as the devil at me and said you were teaching me to read all wrong and to stop it. Then acted like a fool and tried to give Walter Cunningham a quarter when everybody knows Cunninghams won't take nothing from nobody. Any fool could have told her that.
Well, maybe she's just nervous. After all, it's her first day, too, teaching school and being new here.
Oh, Atticus.
Now, wait a minute. You just learn a single trick, Scout. You get along a lot better with all kinds of folks. You never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view.
Sir?
Till you climb inside of his skin, walk around in it.
But if I keep going to school, we can't ever read anymore.
Scout, you know what a compromise is?
Bending the law?
No. It's an agreement reached by mutual consent. Now, here's the way it works. You concede the necessity of going to school. We'll keep right on reading the same every night.